I'm Jesse. We are going to be a little bit of a tour guide for you guys today. We're going to bring you through space, tell you all about different cool stuff. And the cool thing about us is that we got a little bit of a background on this.
Yeah, so the other guys that are running a lot most in the Science Center, like a lot of them are scientists, but some of them are, you know, have a background in anthropology, which is like old bones and stuff, or biology or chemistry. We actually both study astronomy. So we're both studying astronomy right now. So if you have any questions about astronomy, we can try to answer them. We might not necessarily know, but that's the great thing about science, right? Is that you don't always know the answer, and it's just fun figuring it out.
And that's the great thing about space, is that there's so many unanswered questions now. If you were to go into space science research, almost everything you're working on, nobody knows the answer to. Nobody has even an idea what the answer is. It's just always new science, always new. So put it over the red one and we'll see what that is.
Oh, there's a fast one.
That's an iridium. All the red ones are iridium satellites. Have you guys ever heard of iridium satellites before? They're the famous ones. They coined the term iridium flare.
I thought I
just
saw it really fast.
And so if you want to turn, yeah, you want to blow air sideways. Good. Ready to go forward? Okay, start going forward.
Going around the sun right here. And from Earth, see the picture of Earth, we use the gravity of Venus all the time to send spacecraft out. We use the gravitational kick. So it goes by Venus, and it goes flying out real far.
Kinda.
I didn't.
What color is it? What shape is it? How does it feel?
I think it may actually be meteors.
It is a meteorite, that's right. So it's dark on the outside, and that's because when meteors, they're pieces of rock or metal that crash through the atmosphere, they get really, really hot. So if you take your hands, put them together, and rub them together a little bit. Now go faster, and faster. Now go as fast as you can. And they get hot, right? Imagine your hands were going, so watch this. If I'm going as fast as I can, my hands go like this far.
It slowly pulls things down. It has this big disc of dust and dirt and gas, and it slowly pulls it all in. And as it pulls it in, it releases a whole bunch of energy and makes it really bright. As we have this mist of carbon dioxide. This frozen carbon dioxide, we call that dry ice. And then carbon dioxide is mixed with ethanol.
You know what? Dry ice and hot water do together.
What is that? What happens there?
Kind of makes steam.
That's right, they do. And with that steam here, this is some of that steam, but mixed with alcohol. And there's these particles that are flying through the room. Alright, we're going to go through a little bit of a walk-through time here. Sound good? Yeah? See this picture right here? What is this? Yeah? Well, it looks like the Milky Way, but it's actually the Andromeda Galaxy. Very similar. This is a galaxy that's kind of close to us in space, very close, and it looks exactly like ours.
We're like twins. The Milky Way and Andromeda are like twins. We look exactly the same.
This is our twin in space. And if this were the Milky Way, we'd live right about here. That's where we would submarine. They all have little sections of the sky on them. Like a little piece of film with holes in it.
Where does all the wires connect to?
They would have connected, they don't connect anymore, but they would have connected below the planetarium. There's a little room, we'll show you when we get in there, there's a little room below the planetarium with all the computers and stuff, and that's where they would have
Can you put this up there?
I hope not.
I bought it for 70.
Okay, you gotta make sure you can see right in the center here somewhere. Make sure you can see that area.
Check it out. Outer space. Just put space in outer space.
You're holding the Earth.
Weight of the world on your shoulders.
Can we call you Atlas? In Greek mythology, Atlas was the guy who held the Earth on his back.
Take a couple steps over here, I think.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he was the guy who held the Earth. That's why we call Atlases Atlases, because they hold all the maps of the Earth. Anyway, okay, you are going to be holding Earth. Sound good? Think you can handle that responsibility? Yeah? Okay, good. All right.
I call handling.
Okay. Well, if this is Earth,
There you go.
we keep moving our Earth. Earth moves in its orbit, so we keep
around in space.
It moves around in space, so we got it. Now this, what do you think?
Okay, 10 of them.
You can stay still. I'll stay with you. Hi, Moon.
That's how far away you guys are. That's how far away. When you look at the moon, next to the moon, that's how far away the Earth is.
And then you're spinning.
Green Jupiter. Where's Jupiter? Alright, you're all the way over here. Almost. Saturn. You can be Saturn. You're over here. Uranus. You're Uranus, you can be Saturn. You stand Saturn? Alright, that's Uranus. Yes, you can be Neptune. So that's Neptune.
Hi, Neptune.
Hi, Woo! Hi, Mars. So the inner planets, they're all rocky. They're small like rocks. And they're really tiny, they're really close to the sun. All the outer planets are big giant balls of gas, and they're a lot more spread out. That's how far away